Welcome back to Thriveology today. Imagine waking up to discover your Instagram account generated more income overnight than you used to make in a month. That's exactly what happened to Sarah, who transformed her passion for healthy living into a thriving online business, all powered by Instagram. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover the exact blueprint successful influencers use to turn their Instagram presence into a sustainable income stream. Whether you're just starting out or looking to monetize an existing following, these strategies will help you create content that resonates, build an engaged audience, and turn your influence into income. Before we dive into these game-changing principles, join our Thriveology community by hitting subscribe. Because just like building an Instagram following, small, consistent actions today create extraordinary results tomorrow. Let's transform your Instagram from a hobby into a profitable business. Think of your Instagram content strategy like crafting a hit TV show. You need compelling storylines, consistent characters, and a clear theme that keeps your audience coming back for more. Let's explore how to create content that not only attracts followers, but primes them for future purchases. Start by defining your content pillars, the core themes that will define your Instagram presence. If you're in the fitness niche, your pillars might include workout tips, healthy recipes, mindset coaching, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of your life. These pillars create structure for your content and set clear expectations for your audience. Develop a content calendar that balances these themes while staying flexible enough to capitalize on trends and current events. Aim for a mix of educational, inspirational, and entertaining content. Remember, people come to Instagram to be inspired and escape. Even if your ultimate goal is to sell, your primary focus should be on providing value. Master the art of visual storytelling. In the crowded Instagram feed, scroll-stopping visuals are your secret weapon. Invest time in learning basic photography and editing skills. Develop a consistent visual style that becomes instantly recognizable to your followers. This might include a specific color palette, editing style, or composition techniques. Leverage all of Instagram's features to create a multi-dimensional presence. Mix feed posts, stories, reels, and IGTV to cater to different content consumption preferences. Each format has its strengths. Use stories for day-to-day engagement, reels for viral potential, and IGTV for deeper dives into your expertise. Remember, great content is the foundation of all Instagram success. Without a steady stream of valuable, engaging posts, even the best monetization strategies will fall flat. Approach your content creation with intention and creativity, always asking, how does this serve my audience? Think of engagement on Instagram like tending a garden. It requires consistent care, the right environment, and patience to see results. Let's explore tactics that will help you build a thriving, engaged community around your content. Start by understanding the Instagram algorithm's priorities. In 2024, the platform heavily favors content that generates meaningful interactions, comments, shares, and saves. Design your posts to encourage these high-value engagements. Ask thought-provoking questions, create shareable graphics, and provide genuinely useful information that people will want to save for later. Implement a consistent engagement schedule. Spend time each day responding to comments, engaging with your followers' content, and interacting in relevant hashtag communities. This reciprocal engagement not only boosts your visibility in the algorithm, but builds genuine relationships with your audience. Use Instagram stories to create interactive experiences. Polls, quizzes, question stickers, and countdowns all encourage active participation from your audience. This two-way communication builds a sense of community and gives you valuable insights into your followers' interests and challenges. Host regular live sessions to connect with your audience in real time, whether it's a Q&A, a behind-the-scenes look at your process, or a collaborative session with another creator. Lives create a sense of exclusivity and immediacy that deepens your relationship with viewers. Remember, engagement isn't just about numbers. It's about building a community that trusts and values your voice. Focus on creating meaningful interactions rather than chasing vanity metrics. A smaller, highly engaged audience is far more valuable than a large, passive following. Think of monetization as the natural evolution of the value you've been providing through your content. If you've built an engaged audience by consistently solving problems or inspiring action, monetization becomes an extension of that service. Let's explore the various ways to turn your Instagram influence into income. Start with affiliate marketing as a low-barrier entry point. Share products or services you genuinely use and love, using unique tracking links to earn commissions on sales. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience. Remember, your recommendations are only as valuable as your credibility. Develop your own digital products to serve your audience's needs. This could be ebooks, online courses, templates, or coaching services. Use your Instagram content to identify common pain points. Then create products that offer comprehensive solutions. Tease these products through your content, sharing snippets of value that lead followers to want the full experience. Explore brand partnerships and sponsored content opportunities. As your following grows, companies in your niche will be interested in accessing your audience. Be selective with partnerships, choosing only brands that align with your values and would genuinely benefit your followers. Maintain authenticity by integrating sponsored content seamlessly into your regular posting style. Leverage Instagram's native monetization features like badges and lives, shopping tags for products, and IGTV ads. These tools allow you to monetize directly within the platform, creating a seamless experience for your audience. Remember, successful monetization on Instagram is about creating multiple income streams that align with your brand and serve your audience. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your approach to create a sustainable, long-term business. Think of brand partnerships like finding the perfect dance partner. When the fit is right, the performance is beautiful, benefiting both parties and delighting the audience. Let's explore how to attract, negotiate, and execute successful brand collaborations on Instagram. Start by clearly defining your personal brand and values. Know exactly what you stand for and the types of products or services you're excited to promote. This clarity not only attracts aligned brands, but gives you confidence in negotiations. Create a media kit that showcases your value to potential partners. Include your audience demographics, engagement rates, and examples of successful past collaborations. Highlight what makes your audience unique and responsive. Remember, brands are buying access to your relationship with your followers, not just raw numbers. When approaching or being approached by brands, focus on creating win-win-win scenarios. Good for you, good for the brand, and most importantly, good for your audience. Propose collaboration ideas that go beyond basic product placement, thinking creatively about how to integrate the brand into content your audience will genuinely appreciate. Maintain authenticity in all brand partnerships. Your audience trusts your recommendations. Honor that trust by only promoting products you truly believe in. Be transparent about sponsored content, but integrate it naturally into your content style. The best collaborations feel like a natural extension of your regular content, not an interruption. Remember, successful brand partnerships are about building long-term relationships, not just one-off promotions. Approach each collaboration with professionalism and over-deliver on your promises. This builds your reputation in the industry, leading to more and better opportunities over time. Think of your sales funnel as a journey you're guiding your followers through. From casual observer to engaged community member to satisfied customer. Each piece of content, each interaction is a step on this path. Let's explore how to create a funnel that naturally converts Instagram followers into customers. Start by mapping out your customer journey. Understand the steps someone takes from discovering your Instagram account to making a purchase. This might include following you, engaging with your content, joining your email list, attending a free workshop, and finally investing in your product or service. Use your Instagram content to address pain points and desires at each stage of this journey. Top-of-funnel content should be broadly appealing, focusing on entertainment and quick wins. As followers engage more, provide deeper value that showcases your expertise and builds trust. Create clear calls to action that guide followers to the next step in your funnel. This could be prompting them to sign up for your free newsletter, join a challenge, or check out a link in your bio. Make these CTAs feel like natural next steps rather than abrupt sales pitches. Develop lead magnets that transition followers from Instagram to your owned platforms like your email list or website. These could be free guides, quizzes, or exclusive content that provides immediate value while setting the stage for future offers. Remember, A well-designed funnel feels like a helpful journey for your followers, not a manipulative sales process. Focus on genuinely serving at each stage, and the sales will follow naturally. Your journey to Instagram monetization starts today. Think about this. Every successful influencer began exactly where you are now, with a passion to share and a desire to make an impact. The strategies we've covered aren't just theory. They're proven frameworks used by creators who've built thriving businesses through Instagram. Remember, monetizing your Instagram isn't about overnight success. It's about consistently providing value and strategically guiding your audience towards solutions you can offer. Each element we've discussed today, from content creation to sales funnels, builds upon the others to create a comprehensive system for turning your influence into income. If you're ready to transform your Instagram from a hobby into a business, join our Thriveology community by hitting that subscribe button. Because just like building a loyal following, every step forward counts. And every subscriber helps us create better content to fuel your influencer journey. Share in the comments your biggest Instagram monetization challenge. What's holding you back from turning posts into profits? Your question might help another member of our community break through their barriers. Remember, success on Instagram isn't about having the most followers. It's about building genuine connections and providing real value to your audience. Keep thriving and never stop growing.